today's class, we are going to learn numbers, children. Okay? Come on, open your book. Book number 2, children. Today we are going to start in book number 2. We have completed book number 1. Yes? Now, open new book, that is book number 2. Page number 5151, children. Open page number 5151. In that, which number is there? 6. See here, this is 6 number, children. Still now, up to how many numbers we have learned? See here, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we have learned up to 5 numbers. Now we are going to learn new number, that is 6. Okay. 1, 2, come on, repeat back of me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today we are going to
Magic number world.
Time for lunch.
Waddle, waddle, 6 little ducks went home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Waddle, waddle, 6 little ducks went home. 6 little ducks went out one day. 5 fat ducks and a skinny duck, but the mother duck said it's time for lunch. Waddle, waddle, 6 little ducks went home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Waddle, waddle, 6 little ducks went home.
learn 6. See, in page number 51, we have 6 children. See here what they are showing. They are showing their hands with how many fingers? 6 fingers. Once we will count. Come on, count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Now, for example, I will show you crayons, children. Okay? Come on, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, count, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once again you count how many crayons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many crayons are there? 6 crayons. Come on, now we will learn how to write 6. See here, children. Once you trace on this forward slanting line and circle. Okay, how to write? Here also you trace. What is this picture? This is penguin. Come on, trace on this. 6. Say and trace, children. While writing, say loudly and write. Okay, 6. Trace on the dotted lines. Trace 6. 6. Children, when you are writing numbers, you have to touch the down line, children. See how we are how we are tracing here. Like this you have to trace. Okay. Then we will start writing in page number 51. Children, write along with me, children. Slanting line. Touch the line and write circle. slanting line, forward slanting line, circle. 6. Say and write. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. Touch the line and write, children. You have to touch the down line and you have to write, okay? 6. 6. Forward slanting line, circle. 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 See here, children, I wrote a mistake. I did a mistake here. I did not touch the line. Is it a correct way? No. You have to touch the line and write. Come on. Again I am writing. See. Touch the line and write. 6. Now we have completed the page number 51. That is 6. Now just you turn the page. See in page number 5 to 52, children. 5 to 52. Just turn back the page. Here what we have to do? Color. Count and color the pictures. Here what we have to do? Count and color the pictures. How many pictures are there? What are these? These 6 candies are there. Come on, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candies are there. Come on, color the candies, children. And here we have the picture of, what is this? It is an insect. Insect. This is in which color now? Red color, right? Red with the black dots. This insect is called ladybug. Ladybug has how many legs? See here. Once we will count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many legs ladybug has? 6 legs. Again count. Again we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many legs they have? 6 legs. Come on, now we will color the children. Come on, let's do this candies coloring. Okay, count and color the pictures. How many pictures we have here? How many candies we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come on, color the candies. First one we will color with red. Red. Next, green. Color with the different colors, children. Okay. Now, orange. Now, yellow. Pink. And brown. Okay. Children, try to do along with me, Nana. Now we have completed this candies. Now see the next one, children. Draw 6 balls following the given steps and color them. 6 balls we have to draw here, children. See, once I will show you. Here they have given the instructions also how to draw a ball. First, draw a circle. Then see here 1 line and 2 lines. Come on, start doing. First you draw a circle. Then 1 line in the middle and 1 more. Okay. See, like this. And this is for homework, children. This is for homework in page number 5 to 52. Okay. You just turn back the page. Turn back the page. Here we have one worksheet. Once we will read in page number 5050. Okay. Look at each number. Count the pictures in each set and circle the correct set. One has been done for you. Here. See, what is this number? Can you identify this number? Yes, it is 3. Count here. 1, 2. We have to circle the number. See, we have to count the pictures and we have to circle. Here they have given how many for how many pictures we have to circle here? for 3. Here, how many apples are there? 2. No. Here, how many oranges are there? 3. Come on, circle. Next one, 4. 4 means count and circle the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, circle the balls. Next, 2. 2, 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jellies are there. No. Here 3 cupcakes are there. Here 1, 2 jam bottles. Come on. For how much we have to circle? 2. Yes. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bowls are there? 4 bowls. No. For 1 we have to 1 cup. Here next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 drums are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 guitars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tabla. Come on. Circle children. Okay.